Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. Actually, 3 trades on NVDA. NVDA. Here it was at about 9:30 at market open, and it was in a symmetrical triangle, which can be bullish or bearish. The markets were going up at this point, and it had a nice opening. So I set my trade just up here. Why 2 lines on the top? Well, for those who are Grad graduates, those from our mentoring program know exactly why I put it there. Had my trade ready to order here, and let's see what happened next. Boom! Look at that. It took right off, and I got in here at 602.69, and I had my, rather than a full 1% stop, I immediately pulled it up here. So it was like a 0.5% stop right here at 599.53. So following up, let's see what happened next. Boom, look at that, ran all the way up here, and now it is high basing here at 609 area. And so I set another trade here, ready to go long, and then I set it right again, right at the end of this wick here. Set it at 110.63. Let's see what happened next. Boom, there it goes. Look at that. It now ran up here. It got me in at 110.63, and now I'm long 2 lots, and I have a stop, which time I got in the order was in the money on the first trade. Well, now I'm going to combine those stops together here and put them just below this support area here. I'm in the money on the first lot, and I'm less than a 0.5% in at risk on my second lot. And here it goes up here. Now let's look at it. It's high basing up here, right at this R2 pivot line. So I'm going to raise my my stop up here in the money now, break even for my second trade. Then it popped up above this R2 pivot line here at the 614 area. So I brought my stop up here to 111.53, and it as it was up here. Let's see what happened then. And then look at it, did a pullback, boom, and got me out at 611.53 for 1.5% on the first lot and plus 0.1% on the second lot. So this total trade was for 1.6% in 18 minutes. Then what did it do? Watch this. Did a bull pullback, and I called it out to the members of the Grok Grad chat room, and someone did get in right here at 611.79. Dave from the state of Washington up in the Seattle area got in on that trade, and then he ran it on up here. Let's see what happened after that. Boy, and then it just kept going sideways, and he got out here at 619.31 for 1.2% on that trade. So again, 2 very common trading patterns here, a symmetrical triangle, and I went bullish because the markets were on their way up. And then it was a high base. I got in the second half, and then Dave got in on a bull pullback here, and he was in it until it finally dropped down here below that 619 area support that it was at for quite a while. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that you never add to a losing trade. You only add to trades going in your favor. Trade well, and may your winners run.